Champagne stops being one homogeneous luxury and starts being an actual world all on its own, with families, big houses, co-ops, blenders, growers, all doing very different things. So let's start. The NM, the Negociant Manipulant. Now, these are going to be your big houses. Okay, these are the ones that you've heard of, the big names, the Veuve, Moet, Godins. These are the ones that are on every wine list, the bottles in every advertisement, the brands that define champagne. When you think of champagne, you think of these names: Krug, Cristal, Charles Heidsieck, etc., etc. The Negociant Manipulant, or the NM, they buy grapes from growers all over Champagne, sometimes thousands of them, and then they blend them all together in their house style. Now, this is a very important craft, the craft of consistency. The same blend, same character, same signature year after year. That's harder than it sounds, with weather changes every year, the environment's impact on growth and yield and grape quality. The job becomes incredibly difficult for cellar masters and their tasters to make sure that when somebody opens up a bottle in 2026, it tastes exactly the same as when they opened in 2025, and if they go into the future, it'll taste the exact same as a bottle that'll open in 2099. Now, there's a reason these houses became famous. They figured out how to make a kind of magic that scales. Simply put, they're not making one little artisanal expression out of one piece of terroir. They're building a brand defined by what is reliable, recognizable, and repeatable, and ready to land anywhere in the world to meet everyone's expectations. This is an art, make no mistake. Now, the trade-off, however, they can't really give you the taste of one specific place. They're blenders. That's their deal. That's their power. You give up some of the terroir uniqueness, you give up some of the family culture and the history and the philosophy, and you make a trade. You get your house style consistent. These are the Grand Maisons.